93.5. Yes.
Oh, you want to know what I did in steam?
Hold on, it's recorded. Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, I'm going to be putting up this plastic. I have a screened-in back patio, as you can tell in previous videos. But my plan is to put the delicate plants up here on the patio. I'm going to put this clear tarp up, like what I had for the greenhouse, here and over there. And I'm actually going to put plexiglass acrylic sheet here and there. The bottom portion of this door is going to have just plastic covering it. We're going to leave that open, air in and out, depending on how cold it gets. But what I'm planning to do is do this, have the plants up here. I have grow lights and everything. If I need to, I'll get a warmer, temperature control warmer, put in here for the plants. My plan tonight is to get both sheets up on both sides, left and right. Get the furniture moved around. And I'm probably gonna put my toolbox drawers, started packing my stuff from work to bring it home. Put them on right here for now, so I can put them in the truck and get them down to the shed. Them things are heavy. They're not even quarter full, but they're heavy. But let me get to taping this plastic and start screwing it up. I can already feel the difference. Yes. Huh? 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 Oh. Putting the plastic up. You have got to be my child. Oh my gosh. Put the plastic up so we can put the plants. Remember we built the shelf? To put out here, the plants? And we bought grow lights?
She wasn't out in the
Oh yeah, you were in your bed still.
Yeah.
Lucky you get to sleep in. But yeah.
What lights?
Grow lights.
Can I show them?
Yeah. To help the plants grow.
Peek.
Stage 1 complete. The plastic is up. These here white sheets are my plant covers, and I got them in case we got hit with serious frost. I'm just now to move furniture. Alright, question remains. Do I use Velcro for the bottom or on the sides? If I put Velcro on the bottom, I can pull it tight and just cinch it in. Some air will still get in on the sides, because when it's cold here, the wind kicks up. We're talking about 18, 30 mile an hour winds, which is why I wanted to put this plastic up to keep the cold air from coming in to the patio. So should I Velcro the sides or the bottom to keep air out? Yes, ma'am. Just being nosy? Yeah. Well, since you're here, why don't you help?
How do they do it?
Take the plants and put them over in the middle. Is Helen in her room?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need her help. Move that over. We're gonna pull this over. Oh, a dead mice.
Ew.
He got crushed. Alright. Now we need to move past
I'm just-
again.
I'm disgusted, but also interested.
Alright, for the last time, we're gonna put all the plants over there in the corner. Okay? I get the big ones, you get the small ones. You watch your muscles, remove this over.
Daddy,
Yeah.
if you said that to me, I'm like, no, I forgot them inside. Let me go grab them real quick.
You funny.
They found a dead mouse. Ew, where? Don't be scared of a dead mouse.
Hey. It's fossilized. Listen to this.
What the heck?
Stop that.
I'm acting like it's alive.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, this is all my friends and their other friends at school. Bro, everybody my class is gay.
Here, put it in your backpack. Take it to school tomorrow.
No.
Here,
Ow.
take it to school tomorrow. Alright, let's move this couch and we can go inside.
Oh, chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets.
It's 2 pieces.
Oh shit.
2 fish chicken nuggets. What do you do?
What?
Simple.
Move it out of the way.
What?
And you can move your shoes too, Lily.
Wait. Oh, Dad. Wait.
Don't break it.
It looks like.
Hold up. Don't it separate?
Yeah. Separate.
Go in the garage and bring the silver dolly.
What'd you say? Nothing. What'd you say?
Chicken nuggets.
Nothing. Being serious. What the heck?
She said you're a 5-year-old in middle school.
Because you like chicken nuggets.
Keep talking about chicken
So do
nuggets.
my friends. Eden, Isla, Josiah.
So that's why you like chicken nuggets?
No.
Why you like chicken nuggets? Ew.
Christopher? I heard Christopher. Eden, Isla, and Josiah. That's for some stupid names.
I want to try this out.
What?
This.
The lights?
Yeah, well, we need a plug.
Why are you raising your hand like you're in a class?
Do you know where we can get a plug?
Yes.
Where?
Mr. Early. Oh, yeah. What the guys already know.
How's that? Let's go find a plug.
Do I do the thing that...
Hit the stop
I
button.
got it, I can do it. And the heck?
I've showed you how to do this before. Yes, I have. Because
Have you showed me?
No, her. Back in El Paso.
That explains.
Let me
You
get-
know
let-
I
let-
don't know stuff.
Let me guess, you forgot.
Why do you think I said that?
Where's your brain at? Where's your brain? You don't have one? That explains it. Alright. Behind the chair?
So later,
All
we're
the way
gonna
over.
get hooks. Put it on the ceiling.
Yes.
Hang to Daddy people.
I'm gonna get cord covering to put here so we don't step on it. But anyway, behind the couch, around the corner, plug it in.
Daddy.
Yes.
So vegetarians hate meat. What are people called that don't like to eat vegetables? Humans. Oh! Normal people. They're vegans.
Vegans are the ones that love vegetables.
Yeah. There's a person on the internet called the vegan teacher.
I don't know.
Huh? You haven't.
I
heard
love
about
meat,
her?
okay? So,
I know. And and she assaults people for liking meat.
Well, everybody has their own. What?
It's a spider.
Oh my gosh.
I saw it. It saw how close it was to my face. So wait, under the table. No, please stop. I don't see the stairs.
You know, there's this old movie
Oh,
called Friday.
yeah.
It's for grown-ups.
Yeah.
That's
What?
silly.
What?
I'm gonna call you Craig and Dede.
What?
Craig and Dede.
Craig and Dede?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause y'all play around so much.
Okay, Craig.
Craig.
And Dede?
Craig is more the serious one, but Dede plays around a lot. That's you. Don't worry, one day you'll grow up and watch a movie. Alright, get the remote, turn that off.
Wait, is the remote inside?
No, for that, up on the table.
I'm stuck. You are not stuck. I want to try something out. Can you tell me whenever you plug it in?
I'm about to do it right now. Where you going?
I want to see if the remote works if you're far away.
The what?
I want to see if the remote works. But go ahead. It's far away.
Which remote? For that?
Mhm.
Bring it, I'm gonna need it. Why won't this turn off? Ah.
Oh.
Alright.
It works. I know. But I solved it. You know why?
So, plan is to put one up here, like that.
Yeah, my friend heard me speak British for the first time. She was like, "What? Did you just start speaking in a British accent?" It's like, "Oh wait, mate."
Alright. Put that there. And that there. Alright.
It's just a yeah, here you go.
Turn it on.
Ah!
Turn it on. Change color.
What? Need a big close up of what is that?
What?
Is that for a house? Oh, it went away. Oh, it must be cars. Okay, never mind. Change the color?
Yeah. Again?
Right.
That's it?
It's blue and red. It's making me I love it.
I thought it.
Oops. First time. Okay, stimmer. Stimmer. Yeah.
Timer. There we go. Ah.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to put the other one on this side. Put it further down a little bit. So I need to get 2 more lights and 1 more shelf to get all the plants. But see, it already feels warmer in here.
That's so cool. We're able to see the dead skin cells
Where?
moving around. Like on this one.
You mean the dust? Yeah, which is dead skin cells. Smarty butt. I guess you're paying attention in school, huh?
No, we haven't learned about that yet.
So how you learn about it? You don't know?
Just know.
Okay. Alright,
I'm mad
So-
here.
tomorrow.
Can I turn it off?
Yes. Remote, please. Thank you. Hi.